So guys, here's now a close-up of the headlight job. Hey, what's up guys? This is my 2006 Volkswagen MK4 Golf TDI. As you guys can see, the headlights now have become very cloudy and very yellow. They were not so cloudy and not so yellow, I'd say a while ago, a recent while ago. So I'm here today to actually clear them up a bit. So I've called on a company. It's a mobile worker. It's gonna come on now and actually polish them for me and make them look new again. All right, so in a couple of minutes he'll be swinging by to actually perform the work and get it done for me. So guys, we'll see how good he does and how well they turn out to be. I'll go around back of the car and show you. Also got some rust there on the front fender I've got to get taken care of as well. Here's the back of the car, Golf TDI. Typically very dirty back here. All the soot, I guess, from the diesel engine coming out of the exhaust on this side of the car. So it definitely needs a car wash, that's for sure. So I'll pick back up when the guy comes. A little bit later, the guy finally showed up and instantly began to get to work. Wow guys, amazing. So basically the procedure is he wet sands your headlights with like a black sandpaper, and then he changes sandpapers to this more circular kind, okay? And then if your headlight still is quite cloudy and whatnot, he'll change to a different grit sandpaper, a third one, all right? And then he'll actually buff out the headlight with some headlight polish and a drill and a buffing pad, okay? And then he'll finish it all off with a nice layer of clear coat. Wonderful. So here guys is the video of him getting to work. Enjoy it guys. there you have it, guys. The aftermath of my headlight restoration done by a wonderful local guy here. I found the ad on Craigslist / Kijiji Classifieds. Okay, it was a classified ad basically. I contacted him yesterday, alright? And by the next day, he was able to come out and meet me and actually work on the car. And so he did today. And the job turned out amazing and fantastic. Alright, so here it is. You can see there. The headlights look a lot more clearer and a lot less yellowy, that's for sure. He's saying there's some kind of cloudiness and spots on the actual headlight itself, but it's actually from the inside, not so much from the outside. So therefore, guys, he recommends I go ahead and buy a new set of OEM replacement headlights, that's right, rather than actually working on them in order to take out the condensation out of them. It'll take a few days. You gotta tear apart the headlights, sand them down, buff them out, and then put them back together again. I have a shop that I can do that, but I'd rather just quickly buy new headlights and replace them in an hour or two rather than wait a couple of days for them to be professionally refinished. And I made it home, guys. The headlights look amazing still. So guys, here's now a close-up of the headlight job. There's the passenger side. Let's move over along here to the driver's side. There it is. So not too bad overall. Show you some angles. Am I completely happy with the job? Nope, not so much, but it's basically better than nothing at this point. I just need new headlights. I hope they do last. The guy finished them off with a clear coat, as you guys saw. Okay. So guys, this basically ends the video on my 2006 Volkswagen Golf GLS TDI. That's right, guys. This is Mr. Greek 2002. Please guys drop a huge like on this video and don't forget to subscribe for more content. Take care, have a good day, and I hope to see you guys in the next video.